go. We're in a race car now.
Race car. My car's slow, bro. So I try put it in sport mode like right off the bat, or just keep it in drive.
What is it?
It's in drive right now.
Yeah, just leave it in drive for now. See how it acts. Wow.
Oh damn, I can already feel the difference. Like the throttle is like really, it's like jerky.
Yeah.
It's like more sensitive.
That's turned all the way up.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, it definitely got a little bit more quicker, yo. Yeah. That's crazy. Like I'm not even like pushing the pedal all the way. It's like
It's already like...
it's like already like full throttle. Like not even halfway. It's like I feel like I'm already in sport mode, and I'm just in regular mode right now. Yeah, I see. I can tell the throttle. It's like a quick reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you used to have that like kind of delay or lag when you push the gas.
Yeah, but it's pretty quick already. Man. Go on the highway. And I'll put it in sport mode after that. Alright, so sport mode right now. Yeah. It's definitely a lot more sensitive. Let me put it in second gear. Yeah. It's quicker. There's no more throttle. There's no more lag in the throttle.
Like that's the thing people don't get. It's like too, like you got rims and stuff, and usually the heavier wheels, your car's gonna feel slower.
It's like immediate as soon as you stop on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's tight, bro. I like that. I like that.
Like it helps with people that they get like aftermarket wheels and they're usually heavier.
Yeah, yeah.
So like this kind of brings you back to a even playing field again.
Yeah. Better reaction time.
Yeah.
So that's always good for like acceleration, for like improving your acceleration on the car.
Yeah, you can get the jump on people.
Yeah, man. That's cool, bro. Thanks. I appreciate it, man. I like it. I like it. It's crazy, man. Shit.
Like I try to tell people it's like the best bang for your buck, but
They don't want to believe you.
yeah, it's hard as shit
It's
for
like
me.
you don't even need to put it like, you don't even have to get like full throttle it. Like even if you're just trying to accelerate, just get by someone right quick.
Yeah.
It helps.
Like I could talk somebody's ear off for an hour, but I can sell the product in 5 minutes if I put it in their car.
Yeah. I like testing it with the 40-mile roll. Second gear, yeah.
Feels better.
Yeah, it's definitely, it responds quicker.
One thing I like about it too, since it's just plugging into the gas pedal,
Yeah.
like if you ever have to take it to the dealer and you think they're going to give you a hard time,
Yeah.
just unplug it.
Unplug it, yeah.
Yeah. And it's like it was never there.
Yeah. So it's just you just plugged it into the pedal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you go under the dash and look at the gas pedal, where it you'll see the harness that's going in between your stock plug.
Yeah. Okay. Damn, that's just simple plug and play.
Yeah.